Hello.
Peter.
New official AC tuning, turn up the boost! Merchandise now available for our online store. Link will be in the description. And for a limited time, our YouTube subscribers will receive 20% off of our store using Turn Up the Boost YT discount code. So don't miss out. Grab yours now while stocks last.
Hello, Joseph. Hello. It's a new day.
It is a new day. What have we got on the menu for today?
So we're waiting for a delivery from Forge for the intercooler and intake. Downpipe's already here. Injectors and map sensors are already here. So we're just going to start taking some bits off in preparation. Check out the turbo, just to either confirm or deny what I'm thinking about it being. Being hybrid.
Yeah, so it's Forge front mount and it will go.
Yeah, Forge front mount, Forge intercooler, gravity downpipe, and then we've got the injectors and map sensor from TMC Motorsport, also known as Abarth Tuning, also known as Jordan Automotive over in Belfast.
Yeah, many names.
But they're Fiat 500 Abarth specialist.
Okay.
So yeah, we're going to crack into it.
So we're going to crack into it.
See what we got.
Okay, cool. Hey Joseph.
How's it going?
Oh, where are you?
So, just fitted the downpipe, confirmed what I believe, or what I think, that the turbo is not hybrid. Spoken to the customer just to see what he wants to do. At the minute, he's not really looking to spend a load of money on a hybrid turbo, which I've said is fine. So he's basically said to go ahead and fit the intake and the cooler. So fit intake, intercooler, do stage 2 tune, see where we land. So that is kind of the plan for now. We'll crack into that, get it back on the rollers, see where we end up.
So we're going stage 2 instead of
stage
stage 3
2
basically.
For the mods it has.
Yeah.
And then we'll go from there. Hello.
Hello. So, basically, this is where we are.
Yeah, so this is where we are. We've been stacked. We've been running around like headless chickens. So we didn't really do much filming of fitting bits.
I will flash up a bit.
Yeah.
I'll flash up on the screen now. Basically, the bits that have been installed.
Yeah, so there'll be some pictures come up on the screen, just showing some of the bits we've done during the installation process. But we were basically here till
10, 11,
10
12
o'clock at night doing the install, just to kind of get it done. But you can see the Forge induction.
It does look quite nice.
Yeah, it's quite a nice kit. Bit weird because you've got to cut the scuttle panel, which is a bit of an oddity.
Yeah, it sits right up behind, basically underneath the windscreen, doesn't it?
Yeah, so, but that's fine.
Forge intercooler, I'll show you in a minute. Yeah. It is in there. It's just hidden.
Also, if you look at it from the right angle, you can see it.
You can see it, but just about there. But if you have to get close to really see it, which is quite nice. It's discreet, isn't it?
But yeah, so the plan is we're going to get it on the dyno, do some tuning, see where we can end up, and go from there, pretty much.
I think if we end up around 190s, 200s, the customer's probably going to be fairly happy, because I think that's what we wanted to start with anyway.
Yeah,
but
I just don't think that's going to be achieved.
Yeah, that is the problem.
I mean, normally, obviously depending on who's tuning it, and yeah,
varying factors.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of varying factors like engine health, component health, the quality of everything bolted to it, fuel quality, etc. They normally see around 180 to 185 at a push.
Yeah.
You know, again, it brings in the whole debate of dyno accuracy and so on.
Yeah, there's a lot of varying factors.
There's a lot of varying factors. I mean, we're looking around 180, where we'd aim to land. But yes, we're going to do that, see how we get on, and go from there, I suppose.
In Doom.
So we finished tuning, ended up at 177 and 283 newton meters. The plot on the screen at the minute shows the original tune that it came in with, which is obviously the thinner lines in the background, and then the thicker line is our tune, or the graph from our tune laid over the top. So there's nice gains all across the board.
Yeah, it is a pretty nice graph, to be fair.
But yeah, I mean, the plan now pretty much is speak to the customer, see how he wants to move forward, if he's happy with where we are, or if he wants to go further. Obviously, if he is, then there may be a part 3. We shall see.
That money clip us now.